Today in this video I will tell you how to reduce swelling in face naturally after sleep in the morning. Home remedies. We all cry, whether due to happiness or sadness. Crying is a part of our human emotional package. But a serious hard cry can leave you with puffy and red eyes. Swollen eyes from crying happen because the nervous system increases blood flow to the blood vessels in your face, especially around your eyes. Also, the skin around the eyes comprises fine tissues that are capable of absorbing your tears, making your eyes look puffy and sore. Number 1. Cold compress. The simplest and most effective home remedy to deal with eye swelling from crying is to apply a cold compress. The cold temperature will help tighten up the skin around your eyes as well as relax the blood vessels. Method of use. Wet a clean washcloth with cool water. Hold the wet washcloth against the skin under and around your eyes for 10 minutes, using gentle pressure. Do it a few times a day. Another option is to chill a few metal spoons in your refrigerator for 15 minutes. Hold the rounded portion of one of the cold spoons against your eye for a few minutes, until the spoon becomes warm. Replace it with another cold one from the refrigerator, and continue doing it for 10 minutes. Do it 2 or 3 times a day. Number 2. Cucumber. Cucumber slices can also help soothe puffy eyes and reduce swelling due to crying. The astringent properties in the cucumber help reduce eye puffiness. Method of use. Wash a cucumber and cut it into thick slices. Chill the cucumber slices in the refrigerator for 15 minutes. Place a cold slice over each of your closed eyelids. Replace the slices as they get warm with new chilled slices. Repeat the process as many times as you wish until you feel better. Finally, wash the area with lukewarm water. Number 3. Tea bags. Black tea contains tannins that can penetrate the skin, ease puffiness, and increase circulation. So, instead of throwing away used black tea bags, you can use them to reduce eye puffiness. Method of use. Chill 2 used black tea bags in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. Lie down and put the chilled tea bags over your closed eyelids. Leave them in place for 10 to 15 minutes. Repeat a few times a day or until the puffiness goes away. Number 4. Gentle massage. Massage therapy is another highly effective and easy trick to get rid of swollen eyes from crying. Specifically, massaging your nose after crying helps clear any nose blockage. Method of use. Apply a few drops of olive or coconut oil on your nose. Keep your eyes closed and gently massage your nose, focusing on the bridge of your nose. After massaging, lie down with your head elevated and relax. 4. Do it as needed. Number 5. Egg whites. The white part of an egg has skin tightening properties that can help get rid of swelling around your eyes due to crying. Method of use. Break open an egg and separate the yolk from the whites. Whip the egg whites thoroughly until you get a liquid consistency. Add a few drops of witch hazel and mix well. Use a clean makeup brush to apply this mixture under your eyes. Allow it to dry. Rinse it off with plenty of water. Repeat a few times, until you feel better. Number 6. Salty water. You can also use salt water to reduce the puffiness around your eyes due to crying. Salt uses the process of osmosis to absorb the fluid around the eyes, which is the reason behind the swelling. Method of use. Add 1/2 teaspoon of salt to a cup of lukewarm water. Stir until the salt completely dissolves. Soak 2 cotton balls in this salty water. Lie down with your head elevated. Place a cotton ball over each of your closed eyelids for 5 minutes. Finally, splash your eyes with normal water. Number 7. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is also beneficial in reducing eye puffiness caused after crying. It is not only nourishing to the skin but also supports collagen production. Method of use. Extract fresh gel from an aloe vera leaf. Apply the gel on the area under your eyes. Massage gently using light strokes. Allow the gel to dry. Rinse it off using cool water. Repeat several times until the swelling reduces. Number 8. Rose water. Rose water has skin tightening properties and can help tighten the skin around your eyes. This can help reduce swelling from crying. Method of use. Soak 2 cotton balls in rose water. Lie down and place a cotton ball over each of your closed eyes for 5 minutes. Splash your eyes with water. Repeat as many times as you wish until your eyes look better.